Dear student, this is Shailesh Kumar, and today in this video we will learn that in Roman numerals what is the addition rule and what is the subtraction rule. Basically there are only 7 symbols, therefore we have to apply some rules to make the numeral in the larger way and in the smaller ways. Okay, so I will take some example for this. After that I will explain the rule. I will take a number 6 in the Hindu Arabic system and I have to write a number 6 in the Roman numeral. Therefore we have no symbol for the direct 6, so we have to apply some rule. So how we can make the 6? We can make 6 by addition of 5 and 1. 5 and 1, we have symbol for 5 this and 1 for I. Now I will write V and I on the right side of V. Okay, if we write the smaller symbol in the right of the larger symbol, then it is added to the greater symbol. So you can write it 6. This is the 6 in the Roman numeral system. Now if you have to write 15. Now 15, there is no direct symbol for the 15. Therefore it can be written by adding 10 and 5. It means X and V. So there X is large and V is smaller. So you will write V on the right side of X. So this is the required numeral for the 15. It means we come to know that if a smaller symbol is written with the larger symbol to the right of it, then these are added. Clear? Similarly, if I have to write 4 and then what should I have to opt from this table? Now there is no symbol for the 4, so I have to subtract 1 from 5 so that I get 4. Now the symbol for 5 is this and I will write the 1 on the left hand side. If I write it, so if I write 1, that is smaller symbol to the left of the larger number V, then it means that smaller one is subtracted from the larger one. So the answer is this. Now if I have to write 40, now 40 will be written as, what is the symbol for 50? That is L, and I have to subtract 10. Here the symbol for 50 is L and I have to subtract 10. So I will write X on the left hand side of the L. Therefore this XL is the Roman numeral for 40. Now also you should know and have to remember that VLD are never being subtracted. It means that you will never write VLD on the left side of a larger number. I will give you an example. If you have to write 45, say you want to write 45, and you may think that if you subtract 5 from 50, then its answer is 45. Then what will you do? Then you will think that this is 50 and this is 5. The symbol for the 50 is L and you will write 5 here, then this is right. So it is not right. Okay, as it is written here, VLD are never subtracted, so these cannot be written on the left hand side of a larger number. Clear? So you have to keep this in mind, that is written in the and explained in the greening. Okay, now another rule for the subtraction is very important. Now I can be subtracted from its next to and x can be subtracted from its next two, and c can be subtracted from its next two. So I will write here I can be subtracted from Vx, V and x, and x can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. D and M only. So these are the rules. By using, you can make the Roman numeral properly. Now we will apply the rule to make the Roman numeral here. Now we have to write 2 in Roman numeral. So 2, there is no symbol for 2, therefore I will use the I and I 2 times. Okay, I, that is the Roman numeral for 2. Now 8 will be 5 plus 3, therefore the symbol for 5 is, I can write as this, 5 plus 3. Now 5 and 3 will be written like this. So this is the symbol for 8. Now 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. Now what is the symbol for 10? The symbol for 10 is x, and the symbol for 4 is 1 less than 5. It means 1 less than 5. That is like this. And also 29, it can be think of just like 30 minus 1 or 20 plus 9. So it is better to take 20 plus 9. 20. How we can make 20? We can write 10 2 times. So the symbol for 10 is x and x. And I have to write 9. What is the symbol for 9? 1 less than x. So the symbol for 29 is this. Now 36. 36 means 30 plus 6. It means 30 in 30 that 10 is there 3 times, therefore x, and I have to write 6 on the right hand side. Now 5 plus 1, 6. This is the symbol for 36. Now 43. How will you write 43? 43 means 40 plus 3 or 50 minus 7. I will opt 40 plus 3. I will write 40 plus 3. Okay. It means 40. How will we write 40? This is 10 less than 50. And the symbol for 50 is L and 10 less. Therefore, I will write X on the left hand side of L. This is the symbol for 40 and I have to write 3 just like this. Okay. Now, this is the symbol for 43. Now 54. 54 it means 50 plus 4. What is the symbol for 50? That is L. And I have to add 4. Therefore I will write this. Now this is the symbol for 54. Now 61. 61 means 60 plus 1. So what is 60? 60 means 10 plus 50. So 50, the symbol for 50 is L and I have to add 10. 10 means X and I have to add 1. Therefore LXI is the required Roman numeral for 61. Now 73. 73 it means 50 plus 20 plus 3. Now what is the symbol for 50? That is L. What is the symbol for 20? That is double X. And what is the symbol for 3? That is this. Therefore this is the answer for 73. Now 81. 81, that is 50 plus 30 plus 1. It means 50. 50 means that is L. And 30 means 50 plus 30. It means triple time X. And 1 in place of I. Okay. So this is the answer. Now 91. How will we write 91? 91 is 90 plus 1. And how 90 becomes? It becomes by subtracting 10 from 100. Now, what is the symbol for 100? That is C. I will subtract 10 from 100. Here I have to write 91. 91 means 90 plus 1. 90 plus 1. So what is 90? 90 is 10 minus 100. 100 minus 10. So what is the symbol for 100? That is C. And I will subtract by writing X on the left hand side of C and add 1. So this is the symbol for 91. Now I have to write 95. That means 90 plus 5. It means 100. 100 minus 10, that is 90. And add 5. This is the answer. Now 99. 99 means 90 plus 9. So 100 minus 10, that is 90, and plus 9, that is this. Now this is 100 plus 5. Now 100, what is the symbol for 100? That is C. And 5, that is V. In this way we can write the answer. You can write it C, V. So in this video we have learned that how we can make the Roman numeral with the help of the Roman symbols and the rules we have learned in this video. Thank you.